Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Dewstack, a tool that just arrived on AppSumo, and it helps you to build self-serve documentation on your domain without any tech skills. It's a documentation tool. You have a self-hosted website with a documentation builder, so you can create your knowledge page for the users of your platform, and then they can use that to understand how your product or service works or how your e-learning school works. You're going to create a product docs, a knowledge page, and you can integrate with your preferred live chat. And you can also create private and public documentation. One feature that they have that I think that's pretty cool, and if you have a previous content, you can import it using Markdown, Word document, Notion, HTML, website, Google Docs. I like how beautiful the knowledge base can be. You can see on the pictures here, and it's everything full customizable to your brand. If you like the deal, please plan to buy the license tier 2 because the difference is big. So if you get the license tier 1, you will not get all the features and you get only 5 documentations. If you get the 2, you're gonna get unlimited documentations, the reader analytics, the integrations, and you will also be white label without the made with Dewstack badge. Okay, so let's take a look at the tool. So you can see here the Dewstack. The interface is clean. You're gonna start creating a new workspace. So click here. You're gonna give a name for that workspace if it will be private or public as well. And they will give you those kinds of templates. So you can build from scratch or create one of those templates on that workspace. So you can use it for personal notes, for release notes, for product docs, system design, user manuals. Let's create 4 personal notes. So here's a diary template with your year in review, your quarterly check-in, your user manual, your to-do list. If you want to add things to your diary, just create here a new page. You have a blank page, and here you can see which features you have. You can, of course, type everything you want. You can bold. You can change the font family. You can change the font size. You can change color of the font as well. Everything's fully customizable, as you can see. You can add like bullet points and also insert links. You can add image from a URL or uploading it here. It will look like that. It's similar of a deal that was recently launched on AppSumo called Waymark. And you can also add videos as well and embed the code or insert the URL. Let's say you want to insert the URL, it will show up here. And you just save the page as draft or public. So it's pretty simple to create a documentation using it. How you customize it? You can upload your logo. You can change the title color, change the title, change the theme, basic or premium. You can add table of contents or not. That's pretty cool. And remember that you can use your own custom domain on your workspace. Here you can access the integrations and use a live chat, see your analytics. I'm gonna create a second workspace with a different kind of templates. So let's say you want to create an FAQ. So then you have a template here for that. Installation, support, account and profile, subscription, refunds. So it's pretty easy to create. You can create new collections that will work like that. Change the name of the collection here. You can add an icon to your collection and add a slug. And inside the collection, I'm gonna create the docs, okay? And then you can see your workspace here, how it will look like with all your docs on the left. Here's an example of docs based on the template, the FAQ. So people just click here to go to another page. I think it's a pretty good deal to create a documentation website, and it's pretty simple to use. And Waymark is only private, and that's one you can create a real knowledge database with that. I think it's a pretty good deal. I'm gonna take a look at it, and maybe I can even buy it to use on my LMS. I hope you like that review. If you like it, please click on the link in the description to get to know more about the deal. Thank you so much.